Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by conditioning clay. Knead each color 1-2 minutes until soft. Make a cone base now. Roll tan clay into a tapered cylinder, press one end to form the waffle edge and texture with a toothpick. Once done, assemble the first scoop, roll a ball, then slightly flatten the bottom so it sits on the cone. Make sure to keep surfaces clean. Dust or lint will show after baking, so use a non-stick sheet or ceramic tile. Continue by stacking scoops. Place the second and third balls so edges overlap about 30 to 40%. This creates a realistic piled look. Blend seams gently with your fingertip or a small brush to avoid visible joins. This improves adhesion during baking. For texture, drag a toothpick lightly for melted drips and press tiny clay specks as sprinkles. Make sure to keep proportions believable. Large sprinkles overpower a miniature cone. Once satisfied, prepare the piece for final finishing steps. Finish by baking exactly per polymer clay instructions, typically 15 to 30 minutes at 110-130 degrees C. Place on a ceramic tile for even heat and let cool 10 to 15 minutes before touching. After baking, sand any rough spots with fine grit. Then apply a gloss varnish for a realistic wet look or a matte sealer for soft finish. If you see cracks or separation, do not panic. Rebake at a slightly lower temperature. Press seams together before cooling, and ensure clay was fully conditioned before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.